Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you about PowerPoint. So what is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a program to create a professional presentation. So your presentation can be used to explain your great ideas. How so? With your PowerPoint, you are transferring your ideas in great details with understandable slides. So let's get to know more. So on top of your program, there is this thing called the ribbon. The ribbon, as you can see, consists of many tabs with different functions. There are 9 tabs. First of all, Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, Slideshow, Preview, and View. So as you can see, on the left side of your presentation, there are numbers. These numbers are slide orders. So on the bottom of your presentation, there are slides 1 of 3. This means 1 for the current slide and 5 for the total slide. So now, let's see on the left top of your presentation. There's this 3 symbol. The first symbol is a disk. It is to save your work. The second symbol is undo symbol. In case you make a mistake of deleting your work, you can undo it with the symbol. The third one is a redo. In case you make a mistake and you delete it and you undo it and you want to present your work again, you can press this redo button. So, how to start a PowerPoint presentation? Step 1. Choose your template first. There are many different kind of templates. Choose however you like, or choose the type of template that you need in your presentation. And then, double-click on the blank presentation. Step 3. Add your title. Type your title in the box given. Step 3. Align paragraph to the left. This means you put your text on the left side. Not only to the left, but you can also align your paragraph to the center. Or maybe to the right. You can choose the alignment on the box that is written paragraph. The first one is for the left alignment. And the second one is for the center alignment. The third one is for the right alignment. Step 4. Edit the text by blocking the text. How? There is a cursor with the circle. Then point on the text with your mouse. Then click left button on your mouse. Hold it and then pull it to the point where you want to edit your text. There are many types of font. So, to choose the font, click on the arrow that is downward facing. Then choose the font as you like. Choose the font that is suitable on your style, or choose the font suitable on the presentation you want to present. Not only that, you can also edit the text by changing the font size. How? First, you can change this number, bigger or smaller. The bigger the number, it means the bigger the text. Or second, choose this icon to make your text bigger. Or this icon to make your text smaller. Or you can also change your font color. How? Choose this icon and then choose the color you want. For example, this soft introduction text is blue. Then choose the color blue to color your text. And then, okay, you are thinking about editing the text again. How? Just same like before. Place your cursor in the first text you want to edit. Then, point on the text with your mouse. Click the left button on your mouse, hold it, pull it until the final text you want to edit, and then type a new text. So, what is bold text? In order to make your text bold, you have to click this icon here. Making a bold text means your text is more vivid than the other text. You can also make your text italic by clicking this icon. So what is italic text are for? Italic text is usually for writing words with different language. You can also underline your text by clicking this icon. So usually the underlined text is for important text or definition or the word you want to really emphasize. But what if you want to combine all of them? Bold text, italic text, and underlined text. You can do it all of them at once, like this. So practice time, let's practice. So here is the example. Let's try. Don't worry, you can always ask if you're confused.